Ever made a weird decision and later thought, what was I thinking? Don't worry, your brain was probably just taking a shortcut. Today we're talking about something super cool and super sneaky, cognitive bias. Let's break it down the easy way. Cognitive bias is when your brain makes a quick judgment but skips accuracy. It's like your brain going, don't worry, I got this. But sometimes it really doesn't. These mental shortcuts are fast and helpful, but they can lead to mistakes. Let's look at 3 super common cognitive biases you definitely run into, maybe every day. Number 1, confirmation bias. This is when you only notice stuff that agrees with what you already believe and ignore everything else. For example, say you think drinking celery juice cures everything. You'll search until you find a blog post that says, yep, it's magic. Number 2, anchoring bias. Anchoring is when the first thing you hear sticks in your mind, and everything else feels based on it. For example, if the first price you see for a hoodie is $100, a $70 one suddenly feels cheap, even if it's overpriced. Number 3, availability bias. This is when your brain thinks something happens a lot, just because you can remember it easily. For example, watch 5 plane crash documentaries in a row. You'll feel like plane crashes happen every day. They don't. Let's recapitulate. Confirmation bias. This is when you believe something and only look for stuff that proves you're right and ignore everything else. Anchoring bias. This is when the first thing you hear or see sticks in your brain, even if it's wrong. Availability bias. If you remember it easily, you think it happens a lot. Why should you care? These biases affect how you think, spend, choose friends, date, everything. Understanding them helps you pause and make smarter decisions. How to outsmart your brain. Here's how to beat the bias. 1. Ask, am I only seeing what I want to see? 2. Look for the other side even if you don't agree. 3. Slow down. Not every decision needs to be fast. Our brains are powerful, but they can also be lazy. Now that you know how cognitive bias works, you've got the tools to think smarter. Like this brain snack? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Which bias surprised you the most?